To integrate Debank with MetaMask, start by understanding the role of each platform. Debank is a portfolio tracker that allows users to monitor their cryptocurrency assets across various wallets and exchanges. MetaMask, on the other hand, is a digital wallet that enables users to store, send, and receive Ethereum and other Ethereum-based tokens. The first step in integrating Debank with MetaMask is to set up a MetaMask wallet. If you already have a MetaMask wallet, proceed to the next step. Otherwise, download and install the MetaMask browser extension. Then follow the prompts to create a new wallet. Make sure to store your seed phrase securely. Next, navigate to the Debank website and click on the Add Wallet button. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. Then click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to a page where you need to confirm the connection request. After connecting your MetaMask wallet to Debank, you will be able to view your portfolio and track your assets in real time. Debank will automatically sync your MetaMask wallet data, allowing you to monitor your transactions, balances, and investment performance. To ensure the security of your assets, always use a secure internet connection when accessing your Debank and MetaMask accounts. Additionally, make sure to keep your MetaMask seed phrase and Debank account credentials confidential. In terms of best practices, it is essential to regularly review your portfolio and transactions to detect any suspicious activity. You should also keep your MetaMask wallet and Debank account up to date with the latest security patches and updates. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Debank with MetaMask and enjoy a seamless and secure experience in tracking your cryptocurrency assets. This integration provides a comprehensive view of your portfolio, enabling you to make informed investment decisions and stay on top of your cryptocurrency holdings.